got yours and I've got mine. We shouldn't waste each other's time. You're just a person that I knew. You got someone and that's a fact, so I pretend that I can act. It was just something good to do. Oh, but my mind keeps running back down through the time, and I can't change the fact you were something special in my life. 5 minutes of wonderful is all you gave. 5 minutes of wonderful, yet it makes me feel like a man today. To feel your skin before my eyes, to touch the innocence inside, so ourselves could be revealed. Did you not know, was I obtuse? Were my caresses your abuse? Was it something you kept concealed? My mind keeps running back down through the time, and I can't change the fact you were something special in my life. 5 minutes of wonderful is all you gave. 5 minutes of wonderful, yet it makes me feel like a man today. It would be crazy to be friends. It isn't over when it ends. Well, maybe in a year or maybe two, you'll be around and I'll see you. You'll have an hour I can steal. Yeah, 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 yeah. I think I told you once or twice, I never listened to advice. It's never got me anywhere. But I respect your honesty and all the things you did for me. I'll keep a place for you somewhere. 5 minutes of wonderful is all you gave. 5 minutes of wonderful, yet it makes me feel like a man today. Yes, it makes me feel like a man today.